What's up, y'all? Excuse me, I am in my robe. It's Janet over here, back here with another video. It's been an entire month since I uploaded, so I kind of wanted to just come back and give y'all a little day in my life video, sort of. A lot of people have been asking, like, how have I been? You know, far along than I was in my original video from 18 weeks. I'm now about to be 25 weeks. And they've been asking if I'm okay and stuff like that. I'm gonna bring you guys into my typical day and show you a day in my pregnant college life, basically. I have showered and I'm about to brush my teeth. I have a couple of things I need to do today. So I put a little checklist together, but I'll show you guys that in a few. So now I got that part out the way. I think I'm gonna bring you guys with me on my first task, and that's putting together my baby shower stuff. So yeah, let's get it. So it is 10:20. Excuse the noise and the audio and stuff like that. The two things I have to do for the shower are create like table signs for the table. Each plate will have a card on it, and I want it to follow the theme of my shower, which is no secret to you guys. It will be flowers. And then I have to create like a small template for the actual games. So my cousin, and my mom are basically putting together my entire shower. They have already got everything. It will be in 2 months technically. So I'm just trying to help as much as possible, even though I told them I didn't want any help. So I'm about to get started on first the table sign, and I'll show you guys what I have so far. So right now I'm just playing around with it. I don't like this text, so I'm gonna put something else, but it's gonna say welcome to Jada and Deontay Hunt, either baby shower or baby in bloom. I'm not sure yet. Whew. I feel like this is so hard for me, but when it comes to like graphics and other stuff, this takes like 5 seconds. What I have so far: welcome to Jada and Deontay Hunt's Baby in Bloom. Thank you for coming to celebrate the upcoming arrival of our baby girl with Jada and Deontay. And then here's one of the games I just made, and it's just the mommy and daddy game. I want all of my games to follow this like template, like theme. So I'm trying to get them together so all of them could look like that. I really like the outcome of this. It's super cute, and I cannot wait to show you guys the theme of my shower when it comes together. So I just finished my place settings. I called it a table sign earlier, but the name is called a place setting thank you card. And I just finished one of the games. I'm waiting for my cousin to send over the rest of the game so I can transfer those ideas on the template I want. As y'all see, I want it to all look the same. Now that I'm finished with that, I have this stuff to do. It might not show. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5 things total, but 4 school assignments. I don't feel like starting any of that right now, so I am going to probably make myself breakfast and maybe do my homework later today or tomorrow, but we'll see where the vlog goes. It is currently 11:39. I skipped my homework today. Like I said, maybe later. But I'm gonna cook myself some breakfast. I want French toast and eggs. I usually do like French toast, bacon, and eggs, but I don't have any bacon. Hold that thought. Yeah, he forgot my bacon, but I'm going to make it work anyway. So probably gonna cook. I usually make my French toast in the actual pan, but he bought this little skillet thing. It's been really easy to cook with, so.
making me some work? Yeah, I'm gonna be home in like 10 minutes.
Okay.
I definitely want like 4 pieces of French toast.
Alright.
That should be it. Ain't no sausage there?
Nope. I wanna go pick some. I'm weak because I'm definitely vlogging right now too. That was funny.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get some sauce.
Bacon too, turkey bacon. Bye. Y'all heard him. I only had enough for about 1, 2, 3, 4. We both can get 4 apiece, but now I'm gonna have to add 10 times more. I was only making myself 2 eggs. Yeah, so let's get to it. Off right so far, but I think that should be good. He likes a lot of eggs, so I'm gonna do 6. Am I gonna need 6 eggs for 2 people? No. He doesn't like all that extra seasoning. Like before, when I was about to make my own eggs, I was about to put cayenne pepper in it and like other seasoning because I like my food spicy. But now since I'm making him eggs too, he wants milk to make them fluffy and just salt and pepper. This doesn't look pretty, but this is my French toast mix with all my bread and then regular eggs, and now I'm just waiting on his sausage. Should have asked him to bring some strawberries or something too, because I haven't had food in a minute. Y'all, while I was cooking, I burned my stomach. Oh my god. I put aloe on it, and then I have Vaseline too. A piece of hair right here. If y'all know anything I should do to make this look pretty, please let me know. Y'all, this burn is taking me out. I was supposed to work out after eating and it hurts so bad to the point where I need to take a nap because I want to cry. I haven't burned myself in so long, and if I did, it would be like burns right here from curling wands and stuff like that. But this hurts so bad, and it's like the baby's kicking right on the burn. Like I can see the burn moving up and down from her kicks. Please pray for me because I can't. And it's so ugly. Like I just want to dump aloe on it. It's gonna be so black, and I have 3 maternity pictures, baby shower. I have all this stuff coming up where my stomach's gonna show. Please tell me what to do to help the scarring because I need it off of me as soon as possible. But as of right now, I'm gonna keep putting aloe on it, and then maybe like throughout the day, maybe like it's like a cold water bath with like a rag or something, or paper towel. So okay, so update, just waking up from my nap and now it's blisters on it, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so ugly. So I've woken up from my nap. It is currently 4:01. I'm waiting on Yante to get back from work because he said he was going to work out with me. So I'll be waiting for him and then I'll get started with that workout. Sleeping did help ease the pain for the burn. It still hurts a lot, but now I have to deal with the blisters aspect. I don't know, but I got a lot of advice on Instagram too I'm saying like cold compress, and make sure you just put aloe on it, and then once it heals, put cocoa butter for the scarring. So that's who's cooking. I'm vlogging. It is 5:40, so I'm about to start this little 20 to 40 minute workout I got from TikTok from this pregnant woman. She's a little more far along than me, so it's no excuse for me to not do it. So rest of the workouts on camera because I didn't order my yoga mat, which means I'm gonna have to get on this floor to do what other stuff is it? I'm gonna put the video on the side because if any pregnant women are watching this that want to work out with me and do what I'm doing today, I'm gonna put it up there. But it's a lot of workouts that require being on the ground. So yes, I'm tired, but yeah. So yep, that sums up today in my life basically. I done a lot. I was able to do my workout. I got burned, cooked breakfast, cooked dinner, and all that little stuff. But yep, I have an appointment Friday. I might do like a little appointment vlog again. We'll see. I don't know, but thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell for updates. I'm out of breath. Thank you guys for watching.